Hello, crime fighters. I've recently become aware that the Parole Board audio records parole hearings. But as a matter of policy, they erase or destroy those recordings after only 18 months. I'm also aware of a Commonwealth attorney here in Kentucky who is dealing with a post-conviction matter in what they call an Innocence Project case, in which the defendant is being represented by a public defender from the Department of Public Advocacy. The prisoner now claims to be innocent of the murder for multiple reasons apart from the DNA tests. However, during a parole hearing for that killer a few years ago, the prisoner confessed to committing that murder that he now says he's innocent of committing. Fortunately, the victim's mother obtained a copy of the recording and of the hearing at the parole board before it was erased, and was able to provide the recording to the Commonwealth's attorney for use as evidence. If it hadn't been for the diligence of the victim's mother, this confession would have been lost. So what does all that mean? Well, in the interest of justice, the Parole Board should immediately change their erasure and destruction of recorded hearings policy and retain those recordings until the prisoner serves out his sentence, at least in cases of homicides and all other crimes that are serious A and B felonies. Further, the Parole Board should supply a copy of the recording of the parole hearing to the office of that Commonwealth's attorney which prosecuted the case, so that that prosecutor could store the recording in case there's a hearing later on to deny something that was said at the parole hearing. I'm telling you, crime fighters, we gotta be alert. I'm Ray the DA, and this is Straight Talk.